Hello, my name is Tess McColgan. I'm the program manager at Roslindale Village Main Street, and today we're at Sean Hagan Huff-Harris. So we're here today at Sean Hagan Huff-Harris, and I'm here with partners Amy Huff-Harris and Sean Hagan. Hi, Amy and Sean. How are you today?
Great. How you doing?
Great. Good. Thank you for having us.
Of course.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about what Sean Hagan Huff-Harris does?
Sure. We have three primary practice areas. We're really trying to not be that law firm that sort of does a little bit of everything. We try and specialize, and the three areas are family law, business law, and estate planning, trust and estates work. And
what would you say is something that people who visit, customers may be surprised or not know about your firm?
People would be surprised by how passionate we are about our work. We really enjoy working with people. We see ourselves also as educators. We try to make sure that people understand the choices that they have available to them, and that whatever choice they make, that it's an educated decision. I do the family law practice area, and often I work with parents who are not really getting a fair shake from the probate and family court system. And when I can come in and help them basically right a wrong and make it so that they can have a better relationship with their children, with other family, that's something that really makes me feel good about what I do, and I know why I'm doing what I'm doing.
Has there been anything specific that's been rewarding about being here, or?
Yeah, I think that for us, it's the result in the end, right? So there's the initial reward of having someone trust you with their very important matter, whether it be a business owner looking to solve something that's in their business, even just the demystifying a contract that's been presented to them, or something that is more personal, like advocating on behalf of a family law client for a particular right to access a child for a certain period of time, or increase parenting rights, things like that that are highly individualized, or even the estate planning work I do. All of these things, we really get to know the clients really well, and then also be able to provide them with that solution where they walk away feeling relieved. That's what really drives me personally, especially when it comes to the estate planning front, where someone comes in knowing it's something they should do, should have a will, but then they walk out completely relieved knowing that this is taken care of and that their families will be taken care of. So I think that's what drives the three of us, the partners, and also the associate attorneys we have here, is just this results-oriented focus, and also doing it in a pragmatic and affordable level. People walk away feeling relieved, but also that they got a good value, which is really important to us.
Yeah, we really try to be cost effective.
That's great, and I think sounds like you do really fulfilling work that is very beneficial to your clients in many ways. Kind of decoding maybe some of that legal jargon that people are so confused about all the time.
Yeah, education's a big part of what we do. It has so many benefits. When you are able to explain something to the client and not just say, I'm the lawyer, trust me, we'll take care of it. It really, when you pull them into it with you, they understand all the work that you're doing for them, and then they can make better choices about their legal matter, right? And so we do a fair amount of educating, and it's really just part of our DNA here at the firm is to do that education.
How can our Roslindale residents support your business here?
Well, certainly stop in. We do have storefront, which is nice. It's not like we're upstairs somewhere or around a corner. So we encourage people to drop in and say hello. And then the other thing is to follow us on social media. So we have got an Instagram account, Facebook. It's at LHH Legal, so Sean Hagan Huff-Harris. And we really like to see not only local businesses, but local residents following us.
And are you currently, do you have any promotions going on right now, or is there anything specific going on in the firm that you want us to know about?
Well, we do a consultation. We offer a half-hour consultation for a charge of $50, but if you're local to the neighborhood, we waive that consultation fee.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, just as a demonstrated commitment to the neighborhood, to sort of encourage that local gathering of people. Here at the firm, we do offer a free consultation for people that are local, and that includes Roslindale, but also the surrounding communities like JP, West Roxbury, those sort of local communities that are within our area here.
And what makes Rozzie a special community to you?
I actually wasn't familiar with Roslindale until around 6 or 7 years ago. And I, by chance, ended up opening my first law office here. But I fell in love with the community. and really enjoy being here. I love the fact that my office is right across from a park. I love the fact that I can see the people walking their dogs. I love the fact that we can walk down the street and grab a delicious lunch with a client or with my partners. And the variety of businesses that are here in the square and nearby. So I think Roslindale is a very special community. I love that it's the city, but it's also not so much of the city that it doesn't have that neighborhood feel.
Certainly doesn't lose any charm in Rozzie. And we do not have a shortage of good lunch places here either.
That's right.
No, absolutely not.
One of the things I think is unique is that, and I know this is by design in part, you don't see a lot of the big corporate sort of chain restaurants, chain businesses, so you really, it adds to the sort of tapestry of complexity, variety. You know, it's not like you walk in, even not having a Panera close, right? Going to the local coffee shops instead. I really enjoy that because you get so much more than walking into a McDonald's or any of these other sort of chain businesses. So I think that that's a unique thing that this neighborhood's been able to preserve, that sense of either mom and pop, you know, element to it that isn't this national chain everywhere.
Absolutely. We definitely love to shop local.
That's right.
Thank you for watching our video. If you want to see more videos from RVMS, hit subscribe below.